starting to get intense.
Pretty soon it's going to be a massive ruffled fur. Ooh, he's ripping her guts apart.
Ooh, she's bleeding.
Really?
No. Get her, Ted.
Get her! Get her!
Get her, Ted.
Get her, Ted, get her!
Starting to
Get
get
her.
intense
Oh, yeah, I started getting intense here, Mom.
when species collide.
She's like, I'm gonna slap
Slap,
my face.
like slap,
I'm
slap.
gonna take
Oh,
a
oh,
picture
now I'm
of
gonna
that.
bite you. Oh, slap, slap, slap. Rawr, slap,
I take
slap,
a picture
slap,
of it.
slap,
I take the picture of it.
slap, slap.
Hey, you know what, Chloe? I take the picture
Ah.
of it.
All right, I had enough of this. You're going down, cat.
I will not let your species win.
Cats versus
I may
dogs.
be small, but I'm tougher than you think.
She's like,
I hunt porcupines in trees.
That's right, here you go. Yeah, you can't get up in the chair. I'm not gonna let you, because I always win.
I will kill you. How long does this normally go on for?
I don't know, this is the first day I've actually seen it go along the song.
Yeah, it's getting.
Get her, Ted.
intense.
Get her.
Get her, Ted.
Oh!
She's thinking over on the other side of the
Surprise.
wall.
Oh.
Oh, it's starting to get intense. Oh. Where's Trixie?
Here's Trixie. Here's Trixie. Here's Trixie.
Oh my god, this is so funny. Uh-oh. Where's Trixie?
There she is.
No, she...
Here's Trixie.
Oh. Teddy, come here.
This is so intense. It's like WWE animal version.
Uh-oh, here she comes. There you go.
Like, oh shit.